Okay guys, so in today's video we're expanding the phone farm. As you guys can see right here, we have a whole bunch of phones all ready to go, brand new ones that we just ordered. So yeah guys, let's go ahead and jump right into today's video. Hey, what is up everybody, welcome back to another video. If you guys are new to the channel, drop a subscribe for me. Thank you guys so very much. Now without further ado, let's jump right into today's video. Let's go. Alright guys, so sitting down right here, we got 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 phones, brand new ones. You guys can see my old phone farm is right there. Well, not really old, but yeah, you got the point. So yeah guys, we have 5 brand new phones to add to our collection. Now you guys are probably wondering, why would you invest in more phones? So yeah guys, basically the reason why I invested in more phones, to simply put it, is because money. And second of all, my grandparents are allowing me to put a few phones at their house, so I was just like, you know what, sure, let's do it. So yeah guys, if you have any close family or friends, you guys could actually go ahead and ask them to put a few phones in their house. Maybe pay them a few extra like dollars for just doing that, or yeah, it's really not impactful to them. Like, it doesn't really do anything to the Wi-Fi unless you set up a lot of phones. But honestly, you only really need 4. Like this one right here, we could just toss that to the side, and these 4 phones right here would actually make us a really good amount already. So yeah guys, we're just gonna go ahead and run these phones here at this house right here, and that's probably because of quarantine. Yeah guys, you probably know that we're all in it together, so well, actually not really, because otherwise everybody'd be sick. But so yeah guys, we're gonna go ahead and figure out what to do with these phones here. Not sure what to really do, but yeah, I guess we'll find out along the way, because that's usually how everything goes for me. Yeah. Alright guys, so real quick, you guys already know, it is the comment of the day, which goes out to Mr. Beast himself. Not really, by the way, this is just some random dude. Either way guys, he says, good stuff, more please, I want to be YouTube friends times 3. I don't get the times 3 part, but okay. Sure man, I would love to be your YouTube friend. Also guys, before we continue on with the video, make sure you guys go ahead and leave a comment if you want to be featured in the next comment of the day. I will choose someone random with some random comment. Doesn't matter what you guys say, just go ahead, leave some random comment, and yeah, back to the video. Alright guys, so all the phones here are now done being set up. They all have a Google account, all got the developer options on, and yeah, it's time to start farming with it guys. Alright guys, so you already know that whenever I get any phones, maybe you don't know, but either way guys, I go to my favorite app and see what offers they have, and that is Cash Alarm. Just a quick FYI guys, just letting you know that all the phones will have different offers on Cash Alarm. It kind of fluctuates, it's a bit weird, but some phones, I find that the better or the newer phones have more offers, and obviously more high paying offers. So hopefully these phones, they're pretty decent, I'd say. LG K40s, that's what they are. Yeah, let's just go ahead and sign up with Google. So hopefully we can get some decent offers. If not, well then, yeah, we're kind of hooped. Go boys, we're about to find out what offers do we get. Come on, go on. Oh, okay. Oh, that's just great, dude. That's horrible. Guys, no, like, okay, look at this, guys. Payouts, if we want to get a payout, we need to save up freaking 9,800 points. And if it's gonna give us freaking like, how much did I see? 20 per minute? 20 points. When the hell are we gonna get this $1? Usually I get like amazing offers with this app. Usually it's like 200 to like 500 points per download app, or whatever you call them, per sponsored app, and they would pay you literally 500 up to 500 points every minute. You can delete. There we go. So basically we sat here on the floor, yes, right here, for literally an hour or so, researching on Google and YouTube and just thinking about which apps I want to use, and we have finally, guys, found a few apps we can run these phones on temporarily. So guys, right here on this phone we have Electroneum. Now Electroneum is an app that is a crypto mining app, I guess you could say, and it mines Electroneum, which is the app's currency. And from here we can actually withdraw it to Coinbase or whatever other wallets we have. And this is a Swagbucks application, meaning, well, we get Swagbucks for watching these videos here. Now also guys, I just recently learned really good info right here. If any of you guys are using Swagbucks, only go up to like 3 phones per account, because yeah, I have 2 running over here and 1 running over here. That would explain why I got banned for the last 2 times already. That was because I was running obviously more than 3. I've been running like 7 or so. So yeah guys, basically I would recommend getting 2 applications on each phone. That way you guys can cycle through once one is done with the application. And yeah, that's how I'm gonna be running Swagbucks now. Moving along guys, we have Hideout TV, which, if you guys don't already know, is a website that you guys can watch videos on and earn points, which then you can go ahead and convert it on any other get paid to do sites, which is equivalent to roughly, I'd say, 5 cents maybe. Not much, but like I said, we have only been running it for a little while. Moving along guys, we have Fire Faucet, which is a auto faucet app, or website I mean, that pays you crypto just for running it. And yeah, we're just gonna go ahead and leave that there. Looks like it's really passive so far. It hasn't been doing much, but yeah, we are earning. And lastly, if we go ahead and pull over this phone right here, it kind of just earned us 50 points. As you guys can see, this is Buzz Brakes right here, running with the auto clicker. As you guys can see, that is working pretty damn well. And I might show you guys how to set that up a different day, but yeah, that is Buzz Brakes. I couldn't think of anything else to run it on in the meantime, so this is the setup. That's what it's gonna do. And yeah, it looks like I got to clean up a little bit, and then that should be it. So yeah guys, I'm gonna clean up these phones, and until next time, make sure you guys subscribe if you haven't already. I'm gonna hit the bed over here, kind of, not physically, you guys know what I mean. Either way guys, I'll see you all in the next video. Until then, thank you guys so much for watching. Peace guys.